I am a Filipino, inheritor of a glorious past, hostage to the uncertain future. As such, I must prove equal to a twofold task, the task of meeting my responsibility to the past and the task of performing my obligation to the future.
In my blood runs the immortal seed of heroes, seed that flowered down the centuries in deeds of courage and defiance.
The seed I bear within me is an immortal seed. It is the mark of my manhood, the symbol of dignity as a human being. Like the seeds that were once buried in the tomb of Tutankhamen many thousand years ago, it shall grow and flower and bear fruit again. It is the insignia of my race. And my generation is but a stage in the unending search of my people for freedom and happiness. I am the child of marriage of the East and the West. The East with its languor and mysticism, and my sire was the West that came thundering across the seas with a cross and sword and the machine. I am of the East, an eager participant in its spirit and in its struggles for liberation from the imperialist yoke.
For I, too, am of the West, and the vigorous people of the West have destroyed forever the peace and the quiet that once were ours. I cannot say of a matter of universal life and death, of freedom and slavery for all mankind, that it concerns me not, for no man and no nation is an island, but a part of the main.
This is my inheritance. What pledge shall I give that I may prove worthy of my inheritance? I shall give the pledge that has come ringing down the corridors of the centuries.
Out of the lush green of this 7,000 isles, out of the heartstring of 16 million people, all vibrating to one song.
I shall weave the mighty fabric of my pledge.
I am a Filipino.
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 I am a Filipino, born to freedom, and I shall not rest until freedom shall have been added unto my inheritance, for myself and my children, and my children's children, forever.